one of the biggest problem you and so many other persons have that are Forex traders is having the best trading strategy, actually having a winning strategy. Let me ask you, do you have a winning strategy that you keep banking in pips day in, day out, week in, week out? Do you have? Yeah. So many persons have told me, no, they don't have. And that is the reason why I am bringing this whole training for you to take advantage of this winning strategy that I've been using for years. You too can use it and do what? Start winning until you get a direct, focused, strategic winning strategy. Then you go nowhere. You won't make any headway in your Forex business. So welcome to Trade with Charles as I take you along this journey for you to see how you can make huge financial gains in the Forex market. Guess what? Forex is not gambling. Forex is not try your luck. Forex is not guesswork. Forex is knowledge. And with that knowledge, I want to pass to you today. So sit back, distract all of your distractions, all of your distractors, take them away. For the next few minutes, I won't take much of your time. Just stay put with me as I walk you along how you, as a busy individual, you can lay hold of this strategy and use it to milk the market practically every week, banking in lots and lots of what? Pips. Let's go to my screen. Let's go to my screen. Let me show you my screen now. Good. I bring to you today actually the best Forex trading strategy for what? Busy people. Are you busy? Are you the type that work from morning to night? You don't have time to analyze the market? This is why I'm making this video for you to take advantage of. Actually, making 300 pips every week is something that I've been doing over the years, stress-free, sweatless. You might be wondering, 300 pips, isn't this too much? Guess what? It's actually the minimum that we make using this strategy. I'll be diverging to you today. I will be exposing to you today. 300 pips is the minimum you can use this strategy to make week in, week out. I dance like this to make 300 pips. Now, this is up to you now. It didn't start like this. When I started, it didn't actually start like this. I remember so many years ago, I started Forex the year 2003. Yes, I started Forex 2003. To today is more than 15 years I got involved in the Forex business. So there's years of experience for me, counting for me. Like they say, experience is the best teacher. Yes, this has been working for me for years, my experience in this business. When I started, I remember I actually burnt so many accounts. I've lost count of the accounts I lost because of inadequate knowledge, not having the right strategy to work. So I cried, I cried for so many years. I cried. When I say I cried because I was like an undergraduate then. In my 2003, I was an undergraduate still in the university till I graduated before I made a headway, So I used my undergraduate days to actually learn the nitty-gritty of the market. And by when I graduated after 4 years, I got the whole secret of this business. And since then, I have been growing in leaps and in bounds. Guess what? Today, I am all smiles in this business. I have a big smile that at least every week, every month, there's something I can use to take care of myself, my wife, my kids, to live at least a better life than this government is offering you and I. And that is why I am showing you what would 300 pips be to you every week. What is 300 pips to you every week? 300 pips actually could be any amount. It could be $300. It could be $3,000. It could be $30. It could be $3,000. It could be $30,000. 300 pips is actually how much to you? How much is $3,000 to you? The 300 pips to you. It boils down, like I said, to the amount you're using to trade. I want to show you something. Let me show you. Let me show you what is $3,000. 300. Sorry, I keep calling $3,000. It's 300 pips. What is 300 pips to you? 300 pips. Let me see. Let me write it on my 300 pips. What is it? Now, depending on the amount you use to trade, like I said, it could be $30, it could be $300, it could be $3,000, it could be $150, it could be $5,000, it could be any amount that you do. So week in, week out, 300 pips is something you can bank with. Now, if a dollar is $10 to you, if a pip is $10 to you, then it's going to be 300 times what? 10, which is how much? $3,000. In the exchange rate today, a dollar is how much today? 600 naira. So when you do $3,000 times 600 naira, that is roughly 1.8 million naira. That is, this is pending like for somebody that have up to, depending on how much you have to trade in this market. There's somebody, like I said, this 300 pips could be what? $300. $300 is how much? It's like 180,000. That is for some other persons with lower capital. For some other person, it could be just $30. $30 is how much? It's like 18,000 naira. So if you make 18,000 naira every week, is it a bad deal as a side hustle? If you make 180,000 naira weekly, is it a bad hustle? If you make $3,000, which is like 1.8 million, is it a bad hustle for the week? Now, this is exactly what I want to show to you using this winning Forex strategy for busy people like you. So hang on with me while I take you to my screen and we can do justice to this. So 3,300 pips is up to you what it is. So if you make this kind of money weekly, what would you do with this money? Let me ask you, what would you do with this money if you make this kind of money every week? Because this 300 pips is actually weekly. What will you do with this money, like I just explained a few minutes ago? It is up to you. Would you want to pay school fees for yourself? Would you want to pay school fees for your children? Or would you want to rent a befitting house from better than where you live today? You see so many guys living at the island area of Lagos, to so many highbrow area of Nigeria, in your city where you are. There are people living in a better place. Or do you want to even build your house? These have afforded me to build my own personal house. And these two can afford you to build your own house if you desire to build your own house. Or get your own car, change the car you're driving now, or to eat at least good food. In this today economy, eating good food is luxury, the way the economy is. So would you want to eat good food? Or to pay hospital bill for yourself, for your loved ones, or for whoever? This money, of course, would afford you to live a better lifestyle, to change the lifestyle you're living today, of going from hand to mouth, from going around the circles. It will afford you a better life. And guess what? Forex is about two basic things that makes you a success in Forex. Number one is what? Knowledge. Is the knowledge you have in this market that will make you a winner. You don't have the right knowledge, you don't have the right strategy, guess what? You'll be out of this market. And another thing you need is what? Patience. You need patience to wait for the market to get to your direction. This is it. For you to be a success in Forex market, for you to enter a buy or a sell position, you need the market to come to your zone. You need the market to come to you. You don't chase the market. You don't go after the market. You wait for the market to come to where you want it to get to so that you can ride it to wherever you want it to get to. So you need to be patient. The name of this game is what? Patience. The name of Forex trading is patient. You need to be patient. And once you're patient, like they say, a patient dog eats the fattest bone. So once you're patient, you get the right entries and you get the right exits, even as a busy individual. Just look at it. You're busy, you go to work in the morning, you focus on your work, you focus on your business, you don't have time to analyze the market. But guess what? I'll be showing you how you can analyze the market just once on a weekend, be it on Saturday, on a Sunday evening. You analyze the market and you do what? You get the right direction. You enter this direction of the market and you go off, setting your take profit and your stop loss, and you walk off. If you like, don't check the market till Friday morning. By then, this strategy takes between 2 to 4 days for you to hit your take profit. Between 2 to 4 days for you to hit your take profit. And by Thursday, you hit your maximum Thursday, you hit your take profit. By Friday morning, you put in for what? For withdrawals. And guess what? You put in for withdrawals. By in the morning, before 12 noon, your money is in your account on Friday, and you have a glorious weekend. And this is exactly the strategy I want to do what? Unveil to you. Let me take you to my screen. Now we are in this strategy. So let's go straight to my screen, straight up to my screen. This is the GBP USD. I'm going to use GBP USD to show you an illustration. Look at where we are. Using my trading view to analyze this, I don't use indicators. I use pure price action to trade in the market. When you use in the market, when you use indicators, you'll be chasing the market up and down. No, you don't need to chase the market up and down. Now, this is my my trading view analysis. Look at it on the monthly time frame. What is this showing you? If you're a professional, by looking at this chart, you realize that the market is already on a monthly support. And guess what? Monthly support is a big time frame. It's a monthly support. And it has tested this side. Look at it. Yeah. You can see it's a monthly support. Strong monthly support is showing you already, which we're expecting it to reverse what? On the upside. It's either reverse on the upside or you break it and it comes down. So for now, we can say, so we need to go to the lower time frame to see what the lower time frame are saying. Let me go to the weekly. Let's see what weekly is telling us. Look at it. Look at it. The weekly is showing us this market has been tanking down. Can you see it? It's showing us that this market has been tanking down from here. Can you see at this GBP USD from 1.25? Look at it, tanking down, and look at it, still on this support. So we're going to draw our support line from this. Let me draw my support line. Okay. I'm going to draw my support line so you can see what I'm drawing. When you see what I'm drawing, you can use it to work. Look at it. I'm putting my supports. Look at it. You can see the market have tested here. Good. So this is the third time it's testing it. Look at it. Right from 2019. You can see it's from August 2019. The first time it touched here. It came here again. March 2020. May 2020. And now May 2022. So for some years now, it has been testing this support. This shows you each time you touch it, it reverse, it touches it, reverse, it touches it again. Is it going to reverse or is it going to go down? Now, this is what it's showing us. It has touched it and it's like it's reversing upward. So all we need to do is to plot our analysis. Let's go ahead and plot our analysis. I want to show you how to do this. Good. So we're going to clone this so we can repeat it. On the most pronounced touches, here again. Okay, another pronounced touch. Let's do, so we're going to have 3 touches. Look at it. Good. So you can see 3 major touches, but as we go lower for us to take our decision, I'm going to show you something. Good. Can you see what is happening? It's getting clearer. Can you see it's getting clearer? You can see it started coming down, it started tanking downwards, down to this major support. And guess what is happening? It is reversing upward. So this is showing us that this market is an upward trend. Already is a major support and we expect it to go up. You get that? It's a major support and we're expecting it to do what? Go up. So we're on a daily time frame currently and you're expecting it to go do what? To go up. And one thing you need to understand is that the Forex market doesn't just go up, it keeps going up, down, up, down, up, down. So you can see, so it's here and we're expecting to do a little down like this. And before it to now do another up like this, you know, and you do like this. So sorry, like this. It doesn't just go up direct, it's going to come down a little again. Then maybe finally, it should now go up to touch this. The one thing I want you to understand in the Forex business is that the Forex business moves from zone to zone. It moves from zone to zone to zone. That's how the Forex market moves. If you look at this, look at this. You can see how the market move from zone to zone to zone. So you have to go up like this again. So it doesn't just move on a straight line because the touch it just goes straight. Phew! No, it doesn't just do that. So you go up, down, zigzag like that, keep choppy, up, down, until it gets to the direction. Now we have seen where it is. We have seen the possibility that this market is reversing to the upside. So we'll be looking at a more potential buy. But now this is for the daily time frame. Let's go to the 4 hours that will give us the opportunity to make a proper decision. And we'll be mapping out some minor support and resistance. We're mapping out some minor support and resistance. Now, if you look at it, there's a what? There's a minor resistance here. I'm going to draw it there. There's a minor resistance. Let me bring my horizontal line. So let's put it there. So there's a minor resistance here. You can see the market tested here and it's reversing. Yeah. Minor resistance here. Good. And there's another one somewhere here. Somewhere here. You can see that. And there's another one here also. Now this is a 4-hourly minor resistance. You can see that. Can you see this market is coming? You can see one thing I want you to look to understand, when you look at this market, you can see we're getting higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. The market, like I said, doesn't just go up direct. You always have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. It keeps going up like that. And if it's in a downward trend, it will give us a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It keeps giving us all of this until it gets to the exact direction it wants to get. Now look at this. This is showing us there's a lower low, yeah, a lower high, and it's trying to create a lower high, and a lower high is going for a higher high. That is what it's showing us. So this market shows us there is what? There is this market, GBP USD, is on a bullish movement. From this point, once it breaks this point, it's going straight to another one. Now, this is showing us that for this week already, when you come to the weekly, look at the weekly. The weekly already is showing us, let me bring this normal. The weekly is showing us that this market is actually going up. So what do we do? What do we do? We know when you're looking at a weekly candle, getting a 300 pips on a weekly candle is actually a walkover. So knowing that we're moving from zone to zone. So if you look at on a weekly, let me take away my drawings so that we can have a clear direction. Look at this. When you have this, let me bring in my supports. Let me bring in my lines. Okay, so you can see clearer what I'm trying to show you. So from this point, that we have a major support on a weekly time frame. Let me clone it to the next resistance level, which is somewhere here. Now look at this. From this point is at 1.2125 to this point, 26 is more than 300 pips. And we're already at 2.5. So this will tell you that the next point, once you break this place comfortably, is here. Is here. No, what am I doing? No, sorry. Is here, sorry. From here to here, we are looking at the market coming to this 1.31, which is like from the current price is at 1.2580 to 1.31. That's like 600 pips. But in between this is 300 pips, there are some minor resistance and support like this one there. I'm going to bring this small line here. There's a minor one that once it breaks it, it goes ahead to hit here. So what am I trying to tell you? From the weekly time frame, we can see what is going to happen all through the week. And once we see what is happening all through the week, once you move from one zone to the other, it's very clear that you're seeing everything that is happening. Once you see everything that is happening, the market is clear. You do your analysis on a Sunday evening, on a Saturday evening, on a Sunday, you see the direction of the market, and guess what? You go ahead by 10, 11 p.m. in the night, you go ahead and place your order. And once you place your order, what happens? You wait for the market to do its thing, as simple as that. You wait for the market to do its thing. And you have done your analysis, you know where to put your take profit, you will know where to put your stop loss. And once you know where to put your take, this is about knowing where to put your take profit and where to put your stop loss. Exactly what is it. Look at this strategy. There are no indicators, there are no noisy charts. Look, isn't this beautiful? That just using your pure price action, you can know where the market is going. Because once this breaks this, and we are going for the next point, we know that it's going to hit this market and we'll be happy. All we need to do is to allow a break, and we'll know where to put our take profit and where to put our stop loss, and we are good for the week. This is exactly what this strategy works. You do the analysis on the weekend and you place your order and it goes ahead to hit your take profit. This strategy works 90%. It's not a new strategy. It's a strategy that so many of us have been using, and it has been banking in pips for us week in, week out. And this is what I want to dish to you. I want to show you how to do that, how to do it properly, where to put your take profit, where to put your stop loss. This is what I'll be showing you in details of this training. In details of this training, I'll be showing you where to put your take profit, where to put your stop loss, how to go down, to see how you can do this. And guess what? You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. And exactly what I want to show you how to go. Okay, sorry, this is showing me this. Okay, do you see this? So this is what I really want to show you, how you can take advantage of this strategy. So let me show you how we can work with this strategy. And let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let me show you what you get, your benefit you're going to get from working with this strategy. Good. So why do you want to take this pattern of trading? The good thing about taking this pattern of trading is that I want to show you is that you're going to have the full knowledge, the knowledge you need to be a winner in this market week in, week out. So you need the knowledge. And once you get this knowledge, it's like having a faulty ATM machine that does what? Prints money for you week in, week out. Exactly what I want to hand over to you. So what is this I want to give you? I have a special offer for you. What is this offer I want to give you? Number one, I want to hand over to you a step-by-step guide to mastering this strategy that is for busy people. Your business, your work does not give you time to do what? To trade every day, like I said, day trader. You don't need to be a day trader for you to win the market. No, you don't need to chase the graph, start looking at the graph, start looking at charts. You don't have to. All you need to do is to understand, master the strategy, which I'm going to hand over to you fully. I hand over this strategy to you and you use it to do what? To bank in loads and loads and loads of pips. Use it to bank in loads. Hi, Charles, I do this and I want to hand it over to you. This is a strategy for busy people. You don't need to be a day trader for you to make money. No, you don't need to be a trader. You don't need to be a day trader. You can be a swing trader and just analyze once in a week and use it to make banking loads of pips for the week. The second thing I want to give to you is that when you get involved on this package I'm introducing to you, you're going to get 4 weeks strategy, 4 weeks free signal strategy. Every week, I'm going to give you a strategy. I do the analysis. I hand it over to you. While you're learning, you're trying to master the strategy. I'm going to do the analysis and I'll hand it over to you. What do I mean? I give you the signal for the week. Just one signal. It could be for different trades. And the beauty of this thing is that you can use this strategy to analyze all different currency pair, be it on cryptocurrency, be it on Forex, be it on synthetic indices, be it on stock. You can use this same strategy to get anything you want, and you'll be a winner week in, week out. So free 4 weeks signals you're going to get from me. This will enable you to bank in loads of cash for yourself. And guess what? Another thing I'll be giving to you is I will do for you that you have an opportunity to make $3,000 monthly without trading the Forex market. You don't need to open an account. I'm going to show you a strategy that you do that you don't have to trade by yourself, and you have an opportunity to make up to $3,000. We have been doing it. Some few informed of Forex trader that know how to do this, that all you need to do is to get involved, get yourself aligned, and you can make $3,000 monthly. Guess what? With no deposits. Yes, I mean it. No deposit. You will not deposit a dime. I'm going to show you the strategy you're going to use and make banking up to $3,000 if you're going to follow the strategy I'll be showing you, guess what? This strategy, I'm handing it over to you for life. You're going to have the video. It's going to say video. You're going to watch the video. You're going to follow this video. So you have this video for life. So whenever your knowledge gets rusty, you come back to this video, you watch it over and over for yourself. So it's for life. I'm going to hand over the video to you for life. So you have it for life. So it's not just you watch it small, you go, no. And another number 5 I'm going to do for you is that I will help you get a funded account that's up to 50K. Do you know, once you're good in trading Forex, there are companies, we call them prop firm, that you can get up to $50,000, $20,000, $100,000, $200,000. They will fund it. All you need to do is to trade and you share profits, that you get up to 80% of the profit you trade. They give you the 80% of profits you make. Do you know there's something like that? And in case you know, but you can't succeed, you don't know how to pass the evaluation test, you don't know how to go about it, I'm going to show you how we've been able to do this for so many people. You too will guide you on how you can scale through a $50,000 proprietary, a prop firm funded account. And once you pass it and you get it, they fund the account and you trade and you guys share profits. So many Nigerians are doing it. And I'm going to do something again for you weekly for that period of 1 month. I'm going to give a weekly live review and forecast. With me live, we're going to sit down on a live on Zoom. We're going to have a Zoom meeting, and whereby I will show you how you can do what? How I analyze the market, so that you see how I do it professionally, even from apart from the video you get. I'm going to do it live. You're going to see how I analyze the market, and we're going to take a decision together and we'll ride with it. Isn't that lovely? Tell me, isn't that lovely? I know you love this, so that you will learn from me. You don't just, you see how I do it and you follow me and you do same thing. Now, for those that you're a pure beginner, you don't know anything about Forex, you never traded Forex before, you're not grounded in Forex, I'm going to give you a full beginners full beginners guide. If you're just starting out, in Forex trading, I'm going to give you a full beginners guide. If you're just starting out. So for those that are just beginners, there's a training that I'm going to give a video for you to learn the nitty-gritty about Forex so you can get started and win the market. Isn't this a treasure? Isn't this a treasure? Now, how much do you think you want to pay for this kind of treasure? I know you have learned Forex from so many people. They have told you to use this indicator, to use this strategy, to use this robot, to use this. All those are balbadash. They're all rubbish. Just look at our chart. It's neat, but we can still get the direction. Our entry and our exit point. We don't need to use indicators. You don't need to use all of that. No, you don't need indicators. Pure price action, which I'm going to show you the nitty-gritty, when to jump into the market and when to jump out of the market. So you don't need to monitor it. As a matter of fact, on a Sunday night, when you do the analysis and you place your trade, go away. If you like, just leave it till Thursday or Friday morning, check your sleep. You will see it as it hits your take profit long. Like I said, this strategy takes between 2 to 4 days, maximum 4 days, 2 days minimum, maximum 4 days. It has hit your take profit and you're gone. So that is what. So how much would you pay for this treasure? How much? Actually, I charge 50,000 naira for just to show people this strategy. That is what I charge, 50,000 naira just for this strategy that you can use to win this market. But guess what? I won't be charging you 50,000 naira because you're special to me and I only want to work with you. So I won't be charging you 50,000 naira. How much will I be charging you? I'm not going to drag it. I'm going to charge you 27,500, which is like what? 50% of the charges. I'm going to charge you 27,500. As little as this. And I'm going to hand over this treasure to you because it's only 1 week trade. What is 300 pips to you? 300 pips could be minimum $300. That is, if 1 pip is $1, that's $300. How much is $300? $300 is like 180,000 naira in today's exchange rate, minimum. $1 on Friday, today, okay, yeah, as at yesterday, $1 is 610 naira. So let's put it at 600 naira. So 300 pips, if you're doing $1, a pip is $1. That shows this will be what? 300 pips, which is like 180,000 naira. How much is it compared to 27,500? Now, this is what I want to give to you. And I want you to take this. Now, what is the benefit you're going to get paying this money and getting this strategy? Number one, the benefit is that you're going to get a perfect ability to analyze the market like a professional. Like a pro, most people have a challenge of knowing how to analyze the market. You've been told about robots, you've been told about one signal, you've been told about one indicators or the other. You don't need all of that rubbish. I'm showing you pure price action that you can use. You know it. I'm handing over knowledge to you. I'm giving you the knowledge you need that you can use to trade this market successfully. So I'm handing over the perfect ability for you to analyze the market like a professional and be a professional from now going forward. That is what exactly I'm doing for you. So that you can have what? Time for your family, for work. I decide when I go out. For so many years now, I decide when I go out. I can be at home for a whole week at home. Maybe I'll go for school runs to pick my kids from school. That's one of the, my wife do that most of the time. And when I decide to do, just go out, maybe go out, chill. I don't need to beat the traffic. Look at this Lagos traffic. Every day you are out in the morning, you come back in the night, or for those that you go to your work, your boss will tell you rubbish, your madam tell you rubbish. See, with this, you will get what? You will escape. You start gradually, guess what? In the next 1 to 2 months, you will be free once you master this strategy. See, 1 month is enough for you to master the strategy. Once you master it, you go ahead and go outward and do all you, and you start trading successfully. And you can decide to quit that job, making 300 pips, which is the minimum, like $300 to like 180,000 naira in a week. Would that make you quit your job? You answer that question. If you make 180,000 naira in a week, would you quit your job? I don't know. You could quit your job. You could turn it to what? A side hustle. See, you trade like a pro and make huge moolah for yourself, huge cash for yourself. That's exactly what I want to show you. Exactly what this strategy will do for you. All I want to do, come trade with me. Come trade with me. And as you trade with me, you have the best laugh. This is all I want to do for you. For just 27,500 naira, you want to get started, all I want you to do is to send me a message. Just click the link below. There's going to be a link below. Click the link, or you send me a direct message. When you send me a direct message, I'll be here, be it on WhatsApp, be it on my phone number, a call. I'll be here to do what? Answer you. All I want you to do is to hand over this treasure. I want to hand over this treasure to you. This is huge winning treasure in the Forex industry. For what? For busy people. Exactly what I'll be doing for you. I will do all of this for you if only you're ready to do this. So this is my gift for you, to hand over the step-by-step guide strategy for mastering this strategy for busy people. If you're busy or you don't have time or you want to develop a winning strategy, this is winning strategy for years. And we've been doing it, and we're banking in lots of pips, lots of dollars every week. And to do Nigeria economy, you need to earn in dollars for you to escape this government. Let me tell you, elections are coming. The next government will not do anything for you. Let me tell you the truth. If you're looking at, okay, the next government will come and do and better this economy, I laugh in Swahili. Nothing. They have nothing for you. The earlier you know this, the better you be the savior of your life and your family and your loved ones. So this is a winning strategy that you analyze once and you use that trade just for that week and you bank in. I'm going to show you how you can even go ahead and do lots of things. Use it to analyze different currency pair and bank in, not just 300 pips for one currency pair. Imagine you can analyze like 5. That's like 300 pips times 5. That's like 1,500 pips. Can you handle that? I'm going to show you how you can do proper psychology for a winning trade and also money management. I'm going to show you the best strategy you should use. So that's what we're going to do. The best strategy to use and how to win this. So free 4-week signal for you to be a trader, a successful trader. I'm also going to give you what again? How you can make up to $3,000 monthly without depositing a dime and without trading, without reading charts. I'm going to show you how that. All this training is for life. You have it for yourself. I'm going to give you the proper training. Get a funded account from a prop firm, from investment company. They'll fund an account and they give you to trade. And whatever profit you make, you share the profit 70-30, 80-20. You taking the largest share, they take the small share. That is how it works. If you never heard about it, do a Google search and you hear about Forex prop firm. They fund the account and they hand it over to you. But there are conditions, which through this training, I will guide you on how to beat this condition and be in better condition. Weekly review, see how I do it. And you learn from me again and you be a success. Just for 4 weeks and you'll be good. So this whole video, I will hand it over to you so that it's going to be a big treasure to you. And if you're a beginner, you get everything you need as a beginner to become a pro. I hand over to you this treasure. This is a big treasure for just $27,500. This is just for 20 people, actually. I want to give this to 20 people, and I'll close this deal. Once you get this, that is all. And I'll close this deal. This package is actually for a bigger package that I give for $3,000. Yeah. I have a complete package of it that I give for $3,000. And it's for people that are already professional, bigger time, that go big scale. I have that package. But now for you and I, let's go and see how we can make huge money for ourselves. So my friend, what do you think about all of this? This is a gold mine I'm handing over to you. Go ahead, click the link below so that you can get started, or send me a WhatsApp message so that you can get started. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you to see the opportunity you get to make from this. Thank you, and do have a great day. Bye-bye.